Hi there, my name is Jonathan Butt, and I'm a service technician with Major Pest Control here in Edmonton, Alberta. Today I'd like to show you what happens if you leave carpenter ant activity for too long. Sit down here. What you're seeing here today is a satellite nest for carpenter ants. There's a large nest outside near the deck area. So generally, carpenter ants feed on insects and love human food. The wood-boring insects that love moist, rotting wood. Once the colony establishes itself, it will hasten the process of decay by boring into the healthy wood nearby, which will rot more quickly because of the damage caused by these ants. Here I'm going to apply a powder insecticide on these carpenter ants. We shall see the results. Here's the aftermath of me applying the powdered insecticide on these carpenter ants. Maybe you can hear that, but it sounds like there's rain. That's how many ants there are here. If you have any pest problems or simply a question about any kind of pest, please contact us at 780-90-60-911 or visit our website at majorpestcontrol.ca. Thank you for being with us. I hope you have a great day.